Everyone, good afternoon. How are you all? I hope life is treating you well. So this afternoon, I'd like to share with you the ingredients we use. My husband made this last night, a very delicious salsa. And I didn't take any video because we're so busy. We have friends who came over, so just decided to just shoot all these ingredients and show you the finished product later. So ito ang ginamit. These are the basic ingredients that all of us have in our kitchen. Or more. Of course, in your kitchen, maybe may marami pa kayong leftover. So salt, black beans, sibuyas, lemon. Mas prefer ko ang calamansi, but we don't have calamansi here. So this is that's my ingredient. So ang kamatis is galing sa ating bakuran. So we use that. And pepper. So whatever you have in your kitchen, pwede. If you like spicy, the better. Because I like spicy as well. So mango, and pineapple. So ito ang ginamit namin sa salsa. And this is our finished product. Oh, I forgot. We use some cilantro as well. Wala na akong leftover to show you guys, but we have cilantro in this mix. So as you can see, diba, we have all those ingredients there, chopped according to your preference. Pwedeng maliit, pwedeng malaki, whatever. So we have pineapple, tomato, onions, beans. Of course, we have salt in there. May ano din tayo dyan, may lemon. And yun, mix together and then taste as you go and add more spice if that's what you want. So yun, very inexpensive, and I guess we can consider this as healthy snack as well. So we dip this on some chips that we have. Pero ako as a Filipina, I eat everything with rice. So I have this in my rice. Anyway, I don't like to generalize because I know we have some kababayans also who hindi nagra-rice lang, minsan lang nagra-rice, pero ako I eat everything with rice and my husband knows that. Anyway, so nilagay ko siya sa aking rice and with some chicken and pork. Okay, there you go guys. So if you have any leftovers like this, make some salsa out of it. Okay? Thank you guys for watching and have a great day. Bye!